So today we are going to learn very important technique in maths to solve expression with multiple operators, and that technique is called as BODMAS. It is an abbreviation. Let us go with all the letters and try to see there is a significance of each letter in their particular order. So B stands for bracket. So let us write D for bracket. O stands for order. D is a division operator. We write by divide sign, so we'll say divide. It is given by the symbol divide sign. M is multiplication process. This is multiply. And the operator is cross. Then comes addition and subtraction. So addition is add. The operator is plus. And the last is called subtraction. And the operator is minus. Now, bracket has first written, so it means it has a first priority. Then divide or multiply, but depending upon which order they are coming. And then the third priority comes for add or subtract. Again, which one comes first. But in some books and in some context, we use another abbreviation called BODMAS. So B, D, M, A, S are exactly same, but this I technically stands for indices. And indices in general term, in a common term, we call powers. For example, 2 square, 2 to the power 2, 5 cube, 5 to the power 3. So in part 1, I'm not going to talk more about the indices. We'll be focusing more on brackets, divide or multiply, and subtract. So, as I spoken, there are some rules. So, the rule is this: the priority of bracket is first. So, in case we have a bracket in one expression with multiple operators, first look into the brackets, not to divide and multiply, not to do plus and minus. First, check is there a bracket there or not. If there is a bracket, let us try to simplify anything inside the brackets. Then we move to see multiply or divide. But again, if both operators are there, which one to take first? We have to decide while going from left to right. So this left to right is extremely important if we have both multiply and divide in the same expression. And once we see there's no multiply divide, then definitely we'll look for add or subtract. Again, we have to go from left to right. Whatever comes first, we have to do that operation first. Remember, whenever we find the same operators at the same level, we go from left to right, whatever comes first. In the same situation, we have minus sign and plus sign. Then again, we'll start from left, going towards right, whatever comes first. So, we'll take some examples today and try to learn this technique. And I've divided the entire class into 4 different types so that we know when and what to be done in such type of situation. So let's say we have only one operator. That is pretty simple and straightforward. I will take 4 examples and try to explain. So let's say we are doing the plus operator. So 3 plus 5, let's say is 8. Pretty easy. 20. Divide the 4, the operator is divide sign, they get 5. Third, let us try multiply, 6 times 2. So the operator is times, so 6 to the 12, we get 12 here. And let us move one more example. Whereas subtracts 11 minus 5, so we are getting 6. So what operators are used there? In each case, we are using a single operator. So plus operator is here, divide is here, times is here, subtraction is here. Pretty simple, straightforward. Let us move to another type where we have 2 operators. It means in one expression we will get more than one operator. So let us take one example and try to see what we do in that situation. So let's say we have 8 times 5 divided by 10. Now we have 2 operators. One is times, one is divide. And we have to decide what to do first. As I told earlier, in this situation, the simple rule is this: if they go from left to right, whatever comes first, you can look into that game. So in this situation, we are getting the multiply operator first. 8 5s are 40. Divided by 10, we will get 4. Let's do one more example to clarify this rule. Let's say we have division showing first. So 4 divided by 2 times 3. Again, we have divide, we have multiply operator. And both are the same priority number 2. Why? Because there is no bracket here, so definitely we are to look into either divide or multiply. But if I go from left to right, so it means same thing. I have to do first to divide, then multiply in this situation. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 3, we'll get 6 here. So let's take one more example. I have, let's say, plus and minus. So 8 plus 2. We need to do that thing first because we are from L to R. 8 plus 2 is 10 minus 4. Now that's 6 here. Let us try one more. Little tricky. 10 minus 2 plus 3. What I found, a lot of kids do the addition first. They say, oh, it's too easy. 3 plus 2. But that is not right. What we need to do here first, we need to focus on going from left to right. If I go that thing, then definitely I should be doing subtraction first. So 10 minus 2 is 8 plus 3. Remember, left to right. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So that basically is type B, where we have two mathematical operators and we are going from left to right based upon the pipe we can solve in. So in BODMAS Part 1, we have seen expressions with 2 operators. We can solve some expressions with 3 operators and 4 operators. Keep watching BODMAS Part 2 and please subscribe Newton Classes Australia channel. Thank you.